Hello guys, and welcome to another David Zimaleta. In today's video, I am reviewing this tool right here. This is actually a tool by Kobalt. It is a brushless with a 5-year warranty. This happens to be an impact wrench. It's basically the correct way of saying it. It's right angle impact wrench. I don't know why they call it right angle. I mean, it could be left angle, but they say right. So let's go ahead and actually get into the tool and let's dive in. And before we dive in, I first want to tell you, at Lowe's right now, this tool costs only $100. It's actually on sale from $140 price. So that's just $100. The tool does not come with a battery. It does not come with a charger. This is why, if you're just getting into this Kobalt line, you know, here's the best deal to get, okay? Is to get one of these. I actually got the last one, so probably other people know about this deal, and this costs $100. It does come with a charger. It does come with a battery, and you get an extra tool for just $100. Why is that a good deal? Well, the battery is a 2 amp hour battery, which is this battery right here. This battery alone costs $30. Let's discount the tool, and a charger costs $59. So just these two things alone will run you $100. Not only that, but you get this cool bag for the charger and for the battery. And now you got basically a free tool, not just a bag. And you can put that in a bag and you will save yourself a lot of money. So previously, in the last video, I did a similar type of example and unboxing for this 3/8 inch ratchet, which is also on sale from $140 down to $100 due to the holiday type of season. One thing I could not find for this tool or that one is any good, well, it's not about good. I just could not really find any videos that really reviewed these things. Everybody got the Milwaukees, they got the Kobalts, they got, I mean, not the Kobalts. They got the Snap-ons, they reviewing the Harbor Tool and Freight, they're reviewing Makita, but nobody is reviewing Kobalts. The only reason I found out about them, I was watching these reviews too, is because people in the comment section, somebody mentioned them. So I decided to look into it. And I am very happy that I did, because $100 is, you know, a really good deal. So initially I found a similar tool like this by Milwaukee, because I was actually getting ready to start buying a bunch of their Milwaukee stuff. And if you want to know why I didn't, and I just basically returned that and got this instead, I already have a video on it. But long story short, for $450, I was able to get 4 tools instead of just one, and I was able to get 3 batteries and 2 chargers, instead of just having one tool like this, a charger, and 3 batteries. So that seemed to me like this is a better type of deal. So anyways, let's open this up and let's check this tool out. So here we go. This tool is that long, and let's see how long this one is. Basically, they're both about the same length, and if I test them width-wise, I could tell that this one is sticking out about 1 inch. And I know this is not a really precise measurement, but you're probably not looking for one anyways. You know, why would you really need a precise measurement of this? One thing's for sure, that this is a ratchet. It's going to be used like a ratchet. It's not an impact, and this is an impact tool. But the cool thing about it is, each one of them costs $100. So it means I could buy 2 ratchets for $200, and I just saved myself a bunch of money. This impact actually looks very nice. It's got a nice feel to it. This is all metal here. It's very cold. This here is plastic, you know, rubber and stuff like that. So I'm not really sure as far as like the breakability, but I'll tell you one thing is, I love Kobalt. I've been using Kobalt tools for a very long time, since I was a kid. I didn't have any battery powered stuff back then, but I really don't think it was this stuff was actually really around back then, you know, either. There was a lot of cord stuff. But you know, because I've used Kobalt for a long time, I know Kobalt is a very good brand, and I guess I grew up with it, so maybe this is just me think like that. But I could tell you this, I could tell it's nicely made, it's nicely precisely like engineered, like it just looks very, very good to me. This is also like a 3/8, just like this one. But this is definitely designed like just like a ratchet, and this is designed like an impact. One thing I will tell you guys about this tool, it is a brushless Kobalt. This tool does come with a 5-year warranty. It's rated for 180 foot-pounds of torque, but I've seen one guy test this, and when he tested it, it definitely sold me, because it can actually remove up to 300 foot-pounds of torque, which I thought that was actually really, really amazing, because sometimes companies want to overstate their performance. Well, this one understated their performance. So they're marketing it as 180 foot-pounds of torque when it can actually do 300. And you know what? This is an impact range. So when it comes to impacts, the more impact power that it has, the better it is for me. If this was 600, I would be even more impressed. But, you know, I really don't think you could really put all the power in here. I mean, maybe you can't, but I am really happy with 300, because this one here is only 55 foot-pounds of torque, but it's not an impact. So this is going to kick on you. So if this had 300 foot-pounds, you would be busting your knuckles all day long. So probably a good thing that it doesn't have so much, because if it will stop immediately, you know, you could still kind of catch it. This here, man, it is awesome. I do want to go ahead and actually weight the tool. So let's see, hit there. So let's go ahead and measure it. So without the battery, it's 3 pounds and basically almost 7 ounces. Now this ratchet is 3 pounds, 1.4 ounces. I guess that's all we need to know for now. Actually, you might want to actually see what the actual weight. Hopefully you could see it. So there's that one right there. And here is this one. Now, I've seen a video out there where, you know, sometimes people say, oh, these things are too heavy and this and that and the other thing. But guys, when you're working, I don't think weight should be any of concern. The most concern I have is, can it do the job? And these things are not that heavy. And actually, if they are heavy, that's actually a good thing, because you could actually work out some muscles while you're actually working on the car. Because, I mean, you don't want to really become too lazy, because, you know, somebody out there is trying to break away bolts just with their bare hands. A lot of times that's as much as you could do. But anyways, guys, I will actually test this tool myself and trying to see what kind of spaces I could get in with this one. With this impact here, because this impact, I definitely know I could get in, you know, various places to try to remove the turbo. On the 3.0s, the turbo is very stuck in there, like with the bolts and stuff. So I'm kind of hoping that I could slide this impact over there and I could remove stuff. Okay, so let's actually go ahead and actually put a battery on it and test it. So this is a 2 amp hour battery. So let's go ahead and actually put it forward and press it slowly. So it's got like a variable speed type of trigger. I actually just immediately just push slow and then really, really fast. So let's do like slow and then until faster. Wow, about 6 speeds there. That's actually really awesome. One thing I do want to recommend, guys, pick up an extra battery for yourself. You won't be disappointed. This only costs $29.99, and you could always have one charging on a charger, and you could have another battery ready to go at all times. Because it's really important when you're working on something that you have a spare battery. I mean, you don't want to be sitting there and work on something for like, let's say 20-30 minutes, and then it dies, and then now you don't have no battery. So the more batteries you have, the better it is. So let's see how much charge this battery came with. So it's only got like 1 bar. So if you have 2 batteries and you have 2 tools like this, so you're looking at $300. So this Impact comes with the charger and 1 battery. It costs $100 for all that. Also comes with this very cool bag. I definitely like it. This tool costs $100, that's $100, so an extra battery, $30. So this total comes to $330. You could have yourself 3 tools, 2 impacts, and 1 ratchet. This is actually a very good combination. I am sure you will agree. This is definitely a good deal. I've done a lot of researching. I've looked and I've looked. And this is the best deal I could find, because one thing's for sure, I use these type of tools very often. I already have one by Milwaukee, but I actually was thinking about getting one more, and I did. And it happened to be at the time when I actually needed it most, because I needed a charger and I needed an extra battery. So I think 2 amp hours batteries is just fine. But if you want an extra oomph and you want 4 amp hour battery, then watch my next video. I'm going to show you another type of I guess hack to try to get another tool under your belt, and another extra battery, another extra charger. So it's going to be just $124 more, and you get so much more. So let's go ahead and actually do that video next after this one. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit a like. If you're not subscribed yet, consider subscribing. I do believe that this is a really good idea for me to actually do some of these tool reviews on my channel. I have been already for a while, but I use tools. I know tools, and I know what I'm going to use them for. And I like saving money when buying tools. And if you think that there's something better out there for you, do let me know. But before I go, I do want to tell you one little thing. But Milwaukee offers a tool, which is actually a good deal, and they give a battery for free. So the tool is actually like $200, and you get a free battery. So it makes the tool like $140, $150. So not that bad, but this is Kobalt, and it's still a better deal. There's no free battery, but it's $100, and the battery is just $30. So not a bad deal. However, guys, this is a holiday sale, I think. So if you want to get this good deal, you may need to go to Lowe's. But one thing's for sure, when I was at Lowe's today, they only had 3 of these. They had like 8 of these, but somebody said they had like 16. I didn't see 16 on shelf. Maybe they have them in the back, but they had like 16 ratchets. They only had 3 of these. So actually I have to call them up and say, hey, can you leave me one, the customer service or something, because I don't want to really miss out. However, you could just order it online and stuff, but the store has the same price as online. So I really don't want to wait. So I went ahead and just went to the store and got it. But anyways, I just wanted to kind of throw that out there. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Take care of yourself. God bless you. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.